time come now.
Comrades, what a way we look good. What a way to celebrate 85. Comrade Chairman, officers of the People's National Party, Comrade Peter David Phillips, our dear leader, Comrade Mark Golding, and his beautiful wife, Sandra. Comrade MPs, Comrade Senators, all the distinguished persons here. I welcome the representatives of the diplomatic corps, and I acknowledge the members of the diaspora who are now a powerful region for the PNP. But more than all, you, my comrades, you the wonderful people of the People's National Party. I honor you here as we celebrate 85. And you know, comrades, we have some serious things that we have to talk about. Amidst all the excitement, we have to look forward to the next 15 years when we become a century old. And the task that we have to build a new nation are tasks that only the People's National Party could undertake. I attended political meetings with my father, as many of you did when you were children. My father was a constituency secretary for Clarendon North Central. And from I was a child, we have been talking about the People's National Party. And he would say, Donna, the People's National Party value education. They have ambition and they have integrity. And we are seeing now in this country that we are being led by a government who do not value education, who do not believe their people should have ambition, and who lack integrity. And comrades, this conversation is an important conversation because right now as we speak, there are 6 parliamentarians who are under investigation by the Integrity Commission. We cannot take that lightly. There are 6 people who are making decisions about your lives and who are in Parliament passing laws that would make you serve 40 years and 50 years if you commit a murder, no matter what the circumstances. So if you see your father abusing your mother, or your mother abusing your father, and you get involved, and your father lies there on the floor dead, it means that no judge can take those circumstances into account. You go on to jail for 50 years. Those are the kinds of laws they're passing. So if you live in an area where a Don man send you for a gun, and you can't say, no, I am not going for the gun, and then catch you with the gun, you can't say, is a Don man send me for the gun? You have a mandatory 15 years. And I raise this in the context of the corrupt actions of the government, because they are passing laws for us, but not for themselves. And we need a government who believes in equality and justice. We need a government that says one law for everyone. We need a government who puts the people of this country at the center of its programs. Comrades, let me remind you, we have a comrade on the platform, Comrade Richard Azan. Comrade Richard Azan built 11 shops in Spalding. He built the shops because he saw what his women were going through selling in the market. And he decided to say, it now go so. And so he built those shops to liberate the people and to improve their circumstances. And when the Integrity Commission investigated him, Andrew Hornes said he will not sit in Parliament as long as Richard Azan is there. Andrew Hornes said Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller was presiding over a corrupt government because there was a man sitting in Parliament who built some shops without parish council permission to help his people. Where is the justice now that he hides those 6 people? Where is the justice now that he tells us as Prime Minister he does not know who they are?
Turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up the thing, turn up.
Comrades, it is time for the People's National Party to rise up and take a stand against corruption. It is time for the People's National Party to say no more. Because when this corruption takes place, it means that your family has to lie on a piece of cardboard in a hospital. When this corruption takes place, it means that your children do not have a desk to sit on at school. When that corruption takes place, it means you have no roads to travel on. You have to get a donkey to help you. And it means, comrades, that you cannot improve yourselves as a people. Because we need to always see that the people progress in this country. And comrades, I stand before you confident that every word I say can be proven because I am who I am because of the policies of the People's National Party. I am who I am standing before you as an attorney, as a vice president of the People's National Party because Michael Joshua Manley gave black people like me an opportunity to get a degree, to enhance ourselves, and that drove us to come back to give to you, the people. But I tell you this, because we are waiting to hear from our leader, I tell you this finally. We are undertaking a program of constitutional reform. That program of constitutional reform was started by Michael Joshua Manley in 1975 because he said we had to leave the monarchy. And comrades, we have embarked on a program to do so. But the promise which you will have to make to the People's National Party, the promise which you will have to make to the people, the promise which you will have to make to me is that we, the People's National Party, shall be the first government to be elected under a new republic. We, the people, we, the PNP, are going to lead you into a building of a new nation. We, the People's National Party, will lead you into the building of a new Jamaica where everyone matters, where every little boy and every little girl knows that they can aspire to the highest office in this country. We, the PNP, will signal to everyone that under our leadership, the principles of integrity and good governance will be restored. We, the PNP, promise you that we will be a government in whom you can place your trust. Comrades, time come. Time come for some serious decisions. Time come to return the People's National Party to government. And time come for the People's National Party to lead you into the new Republic of Jamaica. The word is love.
Time come now. People are balling, can't take no